If you want to delete your Wish account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Open the Wish app or website. Start by launching the Wish app on your mobile device or visiting the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, you can usually find this by tapping on a profile icon. On the website, look for your account name or icon in the top right corner and click on it. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Scroll through the settings menu to locate the option for account deletion. This may be listed under privacy, security, or account management. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Once you find the account deletion option, follow the prompts provided. This may involve confirming your identity, such as entering your password, and acknowledging that you want to delete your account. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the necessary steps, confirm that you want to delete your account. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Wish account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to download any necessary order history or information before starting this process, as it cannot be recovered afterward.